Reading notes on the E string, we're going above the staff now. The notes on the E string are open E, first finger is F sharp, second finger is G sharp, and third finger is A. And for sake of time and syllables, we are just going to call them F and G and know that we are on the tapes and that it's F sharp and G sharp. So let's look at this first line. We have half notes and quarter notes, and we're ending it with a half note. So let's say it before we play it. We're going to say it, then say it with our fingers, and then play it with the bow. 1, 2, say it, go. E, F, G, A, E, F, G, A, G, F, E. So let's say it with our fingers. Ready, go. E, F, G, A, E, F, G, A, G, F, E. So let's play it with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go. So let's look at that second line. We have quarter notes and half notes. That's it. So let's say it. Ready, go. E, F, G, A, G, F. E, F, G, A, E, F, G, F, E, E. So let's say it with just the fingers. 1, 2, ready, go. E, F, G, A, G, F, E, F, G, A, E, F, G, F, E, E. Now, let's play with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's look at the next line. Quarter notes and a whole note at the end. So let's say it before we play it. E, F, G, F, E, F, G, F, A, G, F, G, A, G, F, G, E. Now let's do the fingers and say it at the same time. 1, 2, ready, go. E, F, G, F, E, F, G, F, A, G, F, G, A, G, F, G, E. Let's play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's look at that last line for the E string. Say before we play it. Ready, go. E, G, F, A, F, G, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, F, G, A, E. So let's do the fingers. 1, 2, ready, go. E, G, F, A, F, G, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, F, G, A, E. Now, let's play it. 1, 2, ready, go.